Good morning, friends. In the last trading session, Bears managed to drag Nifty 1% down with respect to its previous close. Now, if we see whole day range, then it was more than 300 points. So, we can say volatility was high and uncertainty still may prevail in the market. Now, if we see option chain data, then for options, IVs are within the range of 17 to 20, or in the extreme case up to 27 or 30 levels for calls. Now if we see for puts, then IVs are in the range of 10 to 20, or extreme case 1 or 2 strikes are having IV of 21 to 22 levels or 21 to 22 zone, which can be considered as puts are cheaper in comparison to call, or you can say that majority of the traders are having a biasness that market may go on the upside. Now if we see OI, OI is very huge on a call side, good built up can be seen, and if we see the change in OI, then again huge additions can be seen, which can again be considered as a confirmation that majority of the participants are expecting a up move. Now if we see the same for the put option, then again additions can be seen, but additions are not that hefty in comparison to the calls. So we can consider that majority of the traders, I am talking about retails, are not interested in trading in the put in comparison to the call. Now if we see option chain data, then 18,000 strike price is having a significant OI, which may act as a strong resistance in coming trading sessions. We have only 3 trading sessions now left for expiry, including the expiry day trading session. Good additions was also seen in 18,000 call option, so indirectly that can be considered as a resistance going forward. Now if we see on the put side, highest OI though is at 17,000, but immediately 17,500 may act as a strong support, as 17,500 and 17,000 both are having a almost same OI. So once 17,500 gets broken, sooner or later we can expect 17,000 on screen, depending upon the market sentiments and the moves as per the news flow. Now if we see Nifty on a daily chart, then we can see that earlier flag and pole pattern target got achieved in the last trading session. Our target was near to 17,700, which we had discussed as per our inverted flag and pole pattern. Now as that target is achieved, it makes no sense to keep those trend lines or indications or markings. Now we can see more downside as per the current structure. So at present, let us try to find out some support, whether that is in place or not. Now if we draw a simple trend line, then in the last trading session, bears managed to give a small breakdown with respect to this trend line. Now if we use Bollinger Band, then Bollinger Band lower band support is still far, and mid band is been broken convincingly, and last 2 trading session closes are below that. So we can expect sooner or later bears may manage to drag Nifty down to the lower Bollinger Band levels, which is near to 17,450 to 17,500 zone, more or less plus or minus, with the leverage of 20 points I am taking, as market moves may change your lower Bollinger Band value. Further, if we see or use 100 exponential moving average, which is very far near to about 16,873, which is very far. So going forward we may not consider the same, so instead we may make an adjustment and can expect that 50 EMA or a 50 days exponential moving average may act as a support, which is at 17,550 odd levels, plus or minus 20 points. So going forward everything is dependent on 17,500. If bears manage to keep Nifty below 17,500 on a 75 minutes time frame, then we may see some more downside. For the final confirmation, taking a help of RSI, if we see is at 43 levels, which can again be considered that oversold regions are again bit far from the current level and we can expect some more downside. So going forward, overall it looks like traders should find resistance or go for a shorting opportunities rather than going long in ongoing market structure. We hope this video is going to help you to prepare your trade plan and trades accordingly. Wishing you a very safe and profitable trading session. See you soon with another video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.